How to video chat someone on Bumble app. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to the Bumble app. Launch the app on your phone. After you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. First, make sure that you've already matched with someone and you are in the chat with them. In order to access that, after matching with someone, head over to this chat section. Here you will find all of your matches, and if both of you have started the conversation, the chat will remain and you can start more conversations. Head over to the conversation that you want to start the video chat on. Over here in the chat box, in the top right, you can see the camera icon. You can simply tap on this camera icon, and if your match accepts the call, you will be connected via video call. So that's a video call. If you want to get on a voice call, you can tap on this phone icon right next to the camera icon. So that's it. That's how you can easily use Bumble's video chat and voice call features. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.